them, Anthony, Leon, whatever these use. Shit.
Okay, let me call him.
LA, that's my distance. Pretty. Let me see. That's how I need to show the cars from the bro.
Oh, my mama, we need to get on that Circle challenge after this when we get this.
Yeah, man.
I thought you don't connect to the battery up here. I don't know, but this car needs to be on too, bro.
See, it's keeping harder.
This one needs to be on too, bro. Yeah. We need to start this one up and run a little bit.
You already heard that it started going, right?
Yeah, it wasn't even doing that while ago. Just run this one for a little bit. Give it a little gas.
I'm already pretty sure it's not gonna start.
I bet 10 push-ups.
But the motherfucker go hard already. I'm gonna put red interior.
You think it's gonna start?
You better.
I'll
bet you 1,000.
Have you already
He
gave
know
this
it.
gas?
He said, I bet
It should-
1,000.
it
He
should
know
be
it ain't shit ain't
Yeah,
gonna.
but have you get, no wait.
That shit got flooded. It ain't gonna start.
You know it might. You never
Can I
know.
do
but
something?
It's locked. You wanna know why? Because I put it in
Have you
gear.
charged the battery? You need to charge
Security
the battery.
lock.
No, we had it on the trailer. When I pulled it off the trailer, it was in neutral. I threw it in gear, and the wheels were locked. It didn't spin.
Remember I flooded mine on the way home from Norris?
Mm-hmm. What you say?
All I did was charge the battery and jump it. Quit getting my missing tooth on camera.
Shit. Nigga Jermaine. What's up, man? I ain't seen your ass in a minute. What's good?
Chilling.
What you doing around this way? Huh? You do? No, you don't. What's up?
Look, you see?
I need to get this one some more gas. I'm telling you.
Need all that gas.
If you do, that's how you charge it.
So it's the battery?
That's when I grew up.
You flooded it, didn't you?
All that shit could have.
I want to get that shit on film.
Let me get that nigga falling.
My cousin did the same thing. Broke his phone too. And his Dre Beat headphones. Fuck with that bike. He bothered me. All right, let me go ride your bike. I'm riding your bike. All right. I'm like, go ahead. Motherfucker hit his leg. Bang, fuck this bike.